Cooking can be both a joyful and daunting experience, especially when you're trying to prepare meals that are healthy, delicious, and quick. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-clean frying pan, look no further than this Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan skillet. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, this 10-inch chef pan will elevate your culinary skills and offer a healthier, hassle-free way to cook. Why choose the Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan skillet? One of the standout features of the Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan skillet is its Swiss Ilag nonstick granite coating. Known for its superior quality, this non-stick coating is not only PFOA-free, but it's also smokeless, making it a safer and healthier option for cooking. You can now enjoy your favorite meals using little oil, making your dishes lower in fat while maintaining full flavor and texture. Healthy cooking. Cooking with less oil reduces your calorie intake, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet without sacrificing taste. Durable. The non-stick coating is designed to withstand high temperatures without deteriorating over time, ensuring a long-lasting cooking surface. Eco-friendly. The Swiss Ilag non-stick coating is SGS approved, meaning it's free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFOS. The Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan skillet is equipped with a high magnetic conductive stainless steel base, ensuring compatibility with all cooktops, including induction, gas, electric, and even ceramic stovetops. This versatility makes it the perfect addition to any kitchen, no matter what type of stove you have. Induction compatible. The skillet's base is designed to work seamlessly with induction cooktops, providing quick and even heat distribution. The die-cast aluminum core helps the skillet heat up quickly and ensures even heat distribution, so your meals cook consistently without hot spots. With a 10-inch diameter and 2.7-inch height, the Sensarte Nonstick skillet provides 3.5 quarts of cooking capacity, perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, boiling, shallow frying, and even deep frying. This pan is more than just a frying pan. It can handle a wide range of cooking techniques. Additionally, it features a pour spout, making it easy to pour soups, sauces, and oils without the mess. Multi-purpose. Use it for a variety of dishes, from sautéing vegetables to deep frying chicken or making a delicious stir-fry. Pour spout. The handy pour spout makes transferring liquids a breeze, ensuring no spills or messes. The Sensarte Nonstick skillet comes with a tempered glass lid that allows you to monitor your food without opening the pan. This feature helps maintain heat and locks in flavors, ensuring your meals cook perfectly every time. Plus, the lid helps reduce splattering, keeping your stovetop clean. The wood-grain Bakelite handle is not only stylish, but also designed for comfort and safety. It stays cool while cooking, so you won't have to worry about burning your hands when handling the pan. Convenient glass lid allows you to safely check on your food while preventing splashes. Cool touch handle. The handle stays cool to the touch, ensuring a safe and comfortable cooking experience. Oven safe. This skillet is oven safe up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to take your cooking from stovetop to oven effortlessly. Cleaning up after a meal should be the least of your worries, and with the Sensarte Nonstick skillet, it's a breeze. Its non-stick surface means food won't stick, and since it's rivets-free, there are no hard-to-clean crevices. Simply wipe the skillet with a sponge and warm soapy water, and you're done. At 10 inches, this skillet is the perfect size for everyday cooking. Whether you're preparing a single portion or cooking for a small family, the 10-inch frying pan provides ample space for a wide variety of dishes without being too large or cumbersome. Who should buy the Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan skillet? This versatile and durable frying pan is ideal for health-conscious cooks. The non-stick coating allows you to cook with minimal oil, perfect for anyone looking to prepare healthier meals. Busy home cooks. With its easy cleanup and efficient cooking, the Sensarte Nonstick skillet is perfect for those who want to make delicious meals without spending too much time in the kitchen. Induction cooktop owners. If you have an induction stovetop, this skillet is designed to work seamlessly, providing even heat distribution and fast cooking. Anyone who loves versatility. Whether you're sautéing, frying, boiling, or making sauces, this skillet is perfect for a variety of cooking techniques. Gift givers. If you know someone who loves cooking or needs a new addition to their kitchen, the Sensarte Nonstick Skillet makes a thoughtful and practical gift. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.